Hey guys, it's been a few weeks since I've done a pregnancy update. If you haven't already, check out my baby shower recap video. I'm still over the moon about it. I still can't believe that was my baby shower. Like, I had that vision for the theme and the look that I wanted, but my planner went up, over and beyond. I'm still like, wow, like my wedding has to top that. Like it has to. I can't do anything less than. Not seen the venue yet, so let's see.
Come on in, ladies. Come on.
Hi.
Hello. Come on in.
Let me get myself situated. You mind holding this? Yeah. Yeah, I'm doing a little vlogging. Hello. Thank you.
Hello.
Film my reaction. Yeah.
So let me go inside.
Oh my God. I'm taking it in because, like, I didn't expect this. Seriously. Oh my God, I love it. This is Therese of Helping Hands. Hi. And I'm just thanking her for the amazing job that she did at the venue. I'm just like so appreciative. I'm so grateful, and she did an amazing job.
You put so much time and effort into this.
I mean, we spent long hours designing. I think it came out absolutely amazing. Really, really nice.
Yay, I'm so happy. Yes, like this is up, over and beyond. Like, I'm so happy. Ooh, chicken and waffles. That's what I was waiting on. That's Asia. Hi. And can you give your information?
Hi, I'm Chef Asia. You'll find me at Chef Asia Hunter on Instagram. Come follow me. I'm in Atlanta.
Yay. We have a strawberry pecan salad here. We have some roasted garlic shrimp, fruit kebabs. We have mini chicken and waffles. And yeah, they're setting up now. So yay, I can't wait to eat. I'm starving. Here's my girl Sarah with Sarah Corin Films. Book her for your event.
Thank you.
I'm gonna leave her Instagram and all of her information down below.
Thank you.
Here's some of my guests that have shown up. They tried to be on time, everybody else late. But you know, they pulled through. This traffic is crazy, isn't it? There's Emma, my model for Lace with Style. There's Auntie, Tanya, and my mom. Did you meet my mom? Okay, you met my mom, yeah. That's mommy. So yeah, it was amazing, guys. I'm gonna leave the link below, and I'm also going to leave the link to my planner because a lot of you guys were really interested in booking her. She is based out of the DMV, New York area, but she is willing to travel. Her name is Therese of Helping Hands Events. I will leave all of the links down below. Anywho, I am now in my 8th month of pregnancy. I'm still in shock, to be honest. I'm not gonna lie. Like, wow, I'm due in 5 weeks. Oh my God. I'm so scared. I'm scared. I'm so scared. Like, what am I gonna do with a whole nother human? Like, it's crazy. So crazy. But I am anxious nonetheless. I didn't know I could feel this tired. That's how tired I am. and my activities are very I pack orders. You know, I don't do a whole lot. I was instructed not to because I was very active before, and that's probably why I feel a lot different, is because I was on a regular workout schedule in the beginning of my pregnancy, which did help with my energy. But being that I had that fibroid scare, they told me to chill out on the workouts. So I literally stopped everything. I should have still walked, which they said I could do, but I just stopped everything. Now I feel like lazy. I mean, no energy whatsoever. So I did say that this week I was gonna at least start back walking 3 times a week. What else did I want to tell you guys? Oh, I've been having more contractions, which I've heard is normal later in the pregnancy. But I was telling my friend the symptoms that I was having, because I'm like, is it normal for your baby to ball up a lot? So I showed her a video and she was like, girl, that's Braxton Hicks. So I had read on that, but it never dawned on me. So now it all makes sense. Like I was ready to call my OB, like, okay, what's going on? Now that I know that it's Braxton Hicks, I feel a little bit better, because I was a little panicky last week. Like, having a bump is just weird. I feel like I don't recognize myself when I take pictures. I just like, is that me? Like, it's so crazy. But this journey has been interesting, I'll definitely say that. And the closer that I get to giving birth, I'm more anxious, more antsy. I'm just like, okay, I'm ready for him to get here now. So, and then I'm like, okay, who is he gonna look like? Like, I know I'm not the only person that wants, you know, you do all the work. I'm carrying this child and I hope that he looks like me. So I don't have much going on today. I just left the post office, dropped off a few orders. Now I'm headed to TJ Maxx just to see if I can find some storage containers. I'm always reorganizing, but now that we're coming into that nesting phase, like, I feel like it's level 10. I'm always like trying to clean up something, like straighten up something. Everything has to be in a certain space. But I've always been like a super neat freak, but it's just like really heightened now. Oh, and as you can see, I've been holding on to this style, y'all. Check out my faux lock video. I actually took these down and redid them for you guys. So I did a tutorial on that, and they've been holding up pretty good. Like, this definitely has been my favorite style this summer. Like, I couldn't have done a better style, because I literally did not want to do anything to my hair, and this was the perfect solution. I absolutely love these. I'm holding on, but I'm kind of over them now. I'm ready to take them down. I think I've had this set in for about 2.5 weeks. Really love this style, but I'm ready to do something else. I don't know if I want to do braids, but I know I want something very low maintenance, and yeah, braids it might be. Did not find anything. The few containers that I did find, I liked them, but I wasn't in love with them. And yeah, I'm gonna just keep looking. I'm gonna go to another TJ Maxx tomorrow. But look, I just found this Becca powder for $12.99, and it actually had my color. Well, this is actually gonna be my contour shade. This is Cacao. This is the Perfect Skin Mineral Foundation. I'm gonna use this as a contour shade. It's pretty deep, so I was really happy to find this color. This is gonna be a really good contour color, so found that. And also I found one of my favorite OPI polishes. This is in the shade Samoan Sand. I used to wear this a lot before I got into gel nails. I wore this OPI color a lot. This is a really pretty brown girl friendly nude color. That was pretty much all I got. So I'm gonna go back on the hunt again tomorrow. I'm gonna go to another Home Goods that I really like, and hopefully I'll have better luck tomorrow.